Tireless days and nights have led us to this moment. The crew has worked relentlessly, ensuring every part of the machine is perfect. Our sponsors have come along for the ride, believing in us. Now it's my turn. The pressure is on me to tame over 11,000 horsepower and to cross the finish line faster than anybody else. The moment I slide into the seat, everything else fades away. It's just me, the car, and 1,000 foot of racetrack ahead. I can feel the raw power beneath me, the nitro fuel pumping through its veins, ready to unleash its fury. Time slows down. Every second counts. Every decision matters. In 4 seconds, I will deploy the parachute at speeds upwards of 500 kilometers per hour. There are struggles, mistakes, and failures. But when I cross the line, it's not just a victory. It's a rush and a thrill for all to enjoy. Not just about winning, it's about the journey, the team, the spectators, and for the love of Nitro Funny Cars.